Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna fix an issue of the game Qomp2. So the newly launched game is not working on our PC, and in this video, we're gonna see some possible ways to fix it. So without wasting your time, let's directly jump into the solution. First of all, check the system requirement of the game before installing it. Secondly, make sure to update your PC and the graphic drivers. Try to run the game as administrator, and for that, just right click on the game, and there you will get an option of run as administrator. If the game is still not working, then first of all, verify the integrity of the game file and perform a reinstallation if required. And before reinstalling the game, make sure to restart your device. Try to run the game after enabling high performance mode or gaming mode. If you tried all these methods and still the game is not working, then try to start your Windows in safe mode. The safe mode starts the Windows in a basic state, and if the problem doesn't happen in safe mode, then this means that default settings and basic drivers are not causing the issue. To start your Windows in safe mode, first of all go to settings, go to system, then go to recovery, and in advanced startup option, select restart. Now your PC will restart like this, and on this screen choose the option of troubleshoot. Now go to advanced option, go to startup setting, and select restart, and after the restart, try to run the game. If still you are facing the issue, then simply contact the customer support of the game. So these were some ways to fix your issue. So I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can also visit our website from the link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.